Shakas, welcome back, Crafty Ohana. This is Maka with Makaz Home. I'm here today to announce my winner of my birthday Memorydex challenge. I had a total of 10 entries. These are the beautiful entries. We can go through them one by one and then choose the winner. Sorry for the suspense. I am choosing the winner who will receive a $47 PayPal credit to their PayPal account. So get ready, ladies, to supply me with your PayPal email so I can do that. So this was one of the entries, and this was from It's a Deal here on YouTube. This is the next entry. And this is from Veronica from V's Crafty Corner here on YouTube. And then we have, this is from Pam Sty 917 here on YouTube. And Pam, P-A-M-S-T-I. And we have this entry here. This is from Virginia here in Phoenix, and she's Love to Create here on YouTube. L-U-V-T-O-C-R-E-A-T-E. And then we have this one from Sherry, Crafting with Aloha Sherry here on YouTube. And then we have this one here with the shaker Tsum Tsums. And this is from Tree here on YouTube. She's Craft On. And I will link all these ladies' channels in the description below. And then we have this one here. And this one is from Crystal, Cruising with Crystal, here on YouTube. And we have this one here. This one is from Carrie. She's Double Click Connect, here on YouTube. This one here is from Michelle. She's Michelle Crafty Mama here on YouTube. And this one here is from Karen, and she's Karen Herrera here on YouTube. So thank you so much, beautiful ladies, for your entries. They got a point for the entry of a Memorydex. They got a point if they did a VR share, which is a video response, and it's just sharing that they were joining this Memorydex challenge and they shared their project on their YouTube channel or on Instagram. And then they got extra point if they added an extra thing, any extra thing. So these are the point breakdowns that I have. That's how my points broke down. This is the points that you got based on how I received them. Not based on how I received them, sorry. Based on what you sent in. So based on that, I made all these numbers, and I'm going to cut them
and put them in this little thing container here and draw one out. So bear with me. I'm not sure if I edit this out or if I just let it play on, but here we go. I'm not folding them, I'm not looking, I'm just going to pick one out. I do want to thank all my entries. They were so kind to send extra goodies that I actually have already started using, just some of it, like very little of it, but because I got so much, I felt so special. You guys, stay tuned. I'm actually sending out Memorydexes to all my entries, as, I don't know why, because I wanted to, because you guys are fabulous. Anyway, thank you for sticking with me on this. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I am thinking of hosting a Disney swap shortly, being I think that, just based on this, that we do have a lot of Disney fans out there. So, I'm going to be working on doing that. Watch for that shortly. And, almost done. There we go. So,
maybe I need, okay. Let's get them all in there because we don't want to leave anyone out. Hold on. Yeah, we'll just get some of this all over because the static. See, that helped. Okay. We're shaking, we're shaking, we're shaking. I'm not looking, I'm just picking. And down to one paper. One. Is that just one? Okay, I'm looking. This one is number 32. 32. So let's see. And our winner is V's Crafty Corner. Congratulations, girl. V's Crafty Corner. 32. So I have, just email me. You have my email address. We've emailed. So email me and let me know what email address I should use to send you that $47 in your PayPal account, girl. Congratulations. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thank you for joining me on my craft journey. And stay tuned for some more videos that I hope are inspiring to all of you. Mahalo again for stopping by, and mahalo for entering into my Memorydex challenge. Have a great week, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join me on my journey. Have a great day, and shakas!